Good evening, fellows, and welcome back again into the meeting. And happy New Year to all of you guys. And I hope you guys gonna learn a lot of things in 2017 and gonna make a good profit in this year. Yeah. So uh, I want to start from the educational stuff because a couple of guys joined and I just want to let them know that how to use this educational stuff here. So this is the educational stuff. You guys will see a couple of folders over there. Yeah, daily meetings, books, pictures. Yeah, and rule book. Yeah, which we use into our analysis. And you can see over there. Yeah, how to use this educational stuff and patrons. Yeah, and patrons over there and training videos. Okay, so once you will go through this stuff like educational videos or meeting videos, you will, after watching these videos, you will learn a lot of things. Yeah, so you guys need to spend your time on these videos, those who are new into the group. Yeah, and those who are old, they also spend some time on these videos. Yeah, after watching these videos, they will learn every time new things. They will learn new things every time when they will watch these videos. Yeah, almost every video is around 1 hour, so you will see how we analyze market and how we trade. So try to watch all these videos. You will not understand anything without watching these videos, what we do into the group. Okay, how we trade, how we read the market. Okay, so this stuff is around 60 GB, so you need to go through all these kind of stuff before getting ready to the before getting ready for the live market. Yeah, so you need to go through the books as well. If you are new, you don't know how market moves, you need to understand the you need to read the books so that you can get the idea how to analyze or how what approaches we use. Yeah, so try to go through these books and and the pictures as well. Yeah, so basically these pictures will show you the structure and pattern identification. Yeah, how we read the market. Okay, so a lot of things are there, so try to go through every single picture and try to match these pictures with the live market or with the previous data, so that you're gonna understand what we think when market was forming the specific chart patterns as structure. Okay, so try to memorize these rules as well. Okay, so the rules are very simple. You need to memorize these rules. Yeah, rules are very simple. Okay, for getting on track, rules are very important. Okay, so memorize rules as well. And of course there are patterns. You will get the patterns in this folder, and of course you will get the patterns in these books. Okay, so try to go through the whole stuff. Okay, so you learn a lot of things, what we do into the group, how we read the market, how we trade the market. Yeah, so some of you guys like Marcus, he just joined a couple of days ago. Now his analysis are improving. That guy is doing very well. He understand how to read the market. Before that, when he joined, you know he he haven't got the idea how to draw trend lines correctly. So now you guys can see his ideas are improving amazingly. Yeah. Okay, so now that guy understand how to identify patrons. Yeah, you can see over there impulse was forming, and we need to see again continuation pattern here for the continuation to the downside, same like these two patterns. Yeah, we can see there was impulse and trend continuation pattern formed, impulse trend continuation pattern formed. Yeah, and broke into the upside. So again, for the continuation to the downside, you need to see continuation pattern here. If you will see continuation pattern, then you can sell based on these trend continuation pattern using your risk taking or breakout technique for the downside. Yeah, so this guy watching videos and spending his time on the stuff and doing well. Yeah, so basically this was the trade which we were looking for. Okay, we can see price was running into the up move and now broken down with impulse. Now we need to watch for the continuation pattern. Okay, so on that day, if you guys remember that if there is Advin, yeah, Advin was trying to sell here at this place, and price was forming these pins, and he was trying to sell here, and I told him that trend still intact to the upside. It can further push to the upside. Yeah, selling based on candles, based on pin is not a reasonable technique to get into the market. Okay, so selling based on pin is not a good technique. Right, sometimes pin get into your favor and sometimes they don't. Yeah, but selling based on your indication and based on your impulse and trend continuation pattern is good technique, because these three things confirm that price is going to go into the other direction. Yeah. So if I'll open the image, I think I don't have that image into this folder, maybe into the other one. Yeah, this one, this is the first one. Yeah, the first trade we took, and after that price rose back. We were anticipating this move up, and after once price hit this place, we were looking to the downside. Yeah, so selling based on pin is not a good technique. Yeah, price can push further to the upside and can stop you out and then can move into your favor, and once price will do that, you will regret on your trade setup and why you get into the market so early. Okay, so I hope I'll get that picture. I don't think so. So it's all right. Okay, so we can see there is impulse. Okay, we can see there is impulse, and it means that price is going to go down. If you sold here based on your indication, same like this, this is the risk taking technique, but you can stop out on this trade as well. Every time and you will try to catch the top using your indications, remember that is risk taking technique. Yeah, you are taking risk because market hasn't confirmed that it is going to go down or going to go into the other direction. Yeah, only impulse gonna confirm that price is going to reverse. You can see impulses over there. Yeah, so we need to watch for the continuation pattern. If you are not into this trade, then look for the entry on trend continuation pattern. Okay, so some of you guys doing well. Okay, all right, so before going to the live market, you guys need to understand this stuff which we use for the educational, for the educational purposes. So you need to understand this stuff. You need to watch all videos. Okay, so let's look at the market. Okay, so there is also a video explaining how you guys need to understand this stuff. Okay, so if you will look at this video, this folder, you will understand. After watching this video, you will understand how to use the educational stuff. Yeah. Okay, so before going through into any folder, watch this video. You will understand how you guys need to use this educational stuff. Yeah, this video explain everything about this stuff. And if you're still confused about this stuff, then you can text me and you can ask me. Yeah, I'll explain that to you. All right, so let's look at the market. So the first pair we're going to look for is dollar index. Yeah, so let me show you the dollar index image. Yeah, which level we were anticipating that dollar index gonna rise to the upside. So that you guys can understand how pattern develops and how they work, how they move. I shared that picture other day as well. Some of you guys remember that. Here, this is the picture. Yeah, so we can see that price was forming trend continuation pattern. Okay, you guys can see this was the corrective move to the downside. Okay, so we were anticipating that price gonna rise to the upside, and once hit this place, we're gonna watch for the price action. Either price gonna continue to the downside again or going to break to the upside. Okay, so the previous one was this. Yeah, we can see after that price formed impulse, very nice impulse, and I was anticipating that price gonna form continuation pattern. Okay, after every impulse, we if you guys miss the entry based on your indication or based on your impulse, you can wait for the continuation pattern. Okay, you can catch the move based on the continuation pattern. All right, so continuation pattern came after this impulse and then started to rise. Okay, so continuation pattern came after that and started to rise. So basically this was the impulse. From this point, we were anticipating the dollar index gonna rise to the upside from this point. Yeah, this was the impulse, and after that we can see there was a continuation pattern, and that continuation pattern broken with impulse to the upside, strong impulse to the upside. Yeah, so if we look at the current price, we can see price is running outside the trend continuation pattern. Okay, so you guys can see this is clear. No, there is nothing complex. Yeah, and the target is there is the upper trend line. Okay, so same like this, I have spoken about this before as well. Okay, so this is trend continuation pattern, we got this move. This is trend continuation pattern, we are trying to get this move. Okay, now when we will look at the lower time frame, before buying to the upside, we should wait. We should wait for the proper pullback. Okay, and that pullback should be something like this. Okay, so this gonna confirm that price is going to go to the upside. Okay, so this gonna be your continuation pattern. In other words, you can call this throwback or retest. Okay, so this was the trend continuation pattern, price broken up, but showing that it is, you know, getting some, it is struggling to continue to the upside. Okay, so it can retest the broken structure, the broken trend continuation pattern at throwback. It can come up to this level, this trend line, even within the trend continuation pattern, and then can retest the trend line and can take support from the trend line and then can continue to the upside. So it's a longer term, a trade setup to the upside. So we can look for downside for short period of time on this area. We we can try to catch this corrective move. Okay, so this corrective move can form a flat channel as well, or flag to the downside. All right, so what we need to look for, we can see when we look at the lower time frame, price is forming ascending rising wedge. Yeah, you guys understand this, what this ascending wedge mean is. So this means that price is losing momentum to the upside. Yeah, it can break to the downside. Okay, so if price keeps struggling at this point at the upper trend line, then it can fall up to this trend line, the trend line we have drawn on bigger time frame. Okay, and if we will see some sign, some impulsive sign at the top, we will try to look at the sell. So at the moment there is no sell setup. Okay, it is forming continuation pattern to the upside. Okay, once we will see impulsive sign or impulse, then you can look for the downside. Okay, so we can see here this was a trend continuation pattern. We have spoken about this. Again, price formed trend continuation pattern and trying to break to the upside. Okay, so it can break and can come up to this point as well. Okay, so we're gonna watch what kind of price action we're gonna see here at this place. If price started to struggle to the upside, then it can come close to the bigger trend line, the trend line I have drawn on bigger time frame. Okay, and if for longer run, price can test the trend line and then can continue to the upside. Okay, so it is struggling, it has broken out the continuation pattern but struggling. All right, okay, so this is the corrective move may appear on this. All right, so I hope you guys understand. So don't try to look to sell at the current price until you see that there is sign that price is going to go down. For example, I have spoken about this many times. For example, this is the example. Yeah, this is the example. This is showing that price going to reverse into other direction. You can see impulses over there. Okay, continuation pattern after that. Okay, so currently price is pushing to the upside. So let's look at the next. All right, so the bigger patron Morgan shared picture into the group, and that was really impressive. That guy is getting stronger and stronger every day. His ideas, amazing. I love to see his ideas. He's getting experience. Okay, so the picture he shared, sorry guys for delaying. He shared Musicat. Yeah, this is the picture. Yeah, so we're gonna watch for the price action. Oh, so this is the New Zealand and CAD. Okay, sorry. So this is the New Zealand and CAD. So I was anticipating he shared Australian dollar and CAD, but the structure is same on both pairs. Okay, so structure is same on both pairs. All right. So let me show you the structure on this pair. Yeah. So the everyone knows that what we were looking here on this pair. Okay, so this was the trade which we were looking. Okay, so this price can test this channel. Okay, and it can test and can rise to the upside again. We're gonna watch price action here at this place. If we will see nice impulsive sign to the upside, then we're gonna look for buy. Yeah, he shared yesterday. Yeah, now I understand. He shared yesterday. Yeah, so this is the point to watch. If price stopped here at this place, then we're going to look for upside. Yeah, currently we can see there is trend reversal channel forming on lower time frame. Okay, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see prices forming trend reversal channel here. Yeah, you guys can see that this is the trend reversal channel, and price can come up to this place and then can rise. So this is the trend line or channel trend line which we have drawn on our weekly time frame. Okay, so you guys remember that we were looking to sell here at this place. Yeah, before this channel formation, we were anticipating that this can form channel. Yeah, so I was anticipating if price form flat channel here, then gonna break down to the downside, and then we're gonna look for buy here at this place. Okay, so currently we can see price still within the channel. If come close to this trend line and struggle to break to the upside, then look for a downside. Yeah, trend is so strong to the downside, still trend strong to the downside. Okay, so I was anticipating this flat channel here at this place. Price started to form but broke into the upside. I started to form but broke into the upside. Yeah? If come close to this trend line and try and started to struggling to the upside, same like this, then you can look for sell to the downside. Okay, still within the channel. So this is the channel which is forming. This is trend reversal channel. Okay, so you guys know that when this channel forms, it means that your indications showing other direction. So it forms with the divergence. Okay, so this is the trade. We have spoken about this trade. Some of you guys took this trade from the top. You did well. Okay, so on that day, on other day, I was asking you to watch for the price action here at this zone. If you will look at the previous recording, you're gonna understand, yeah, when price was pushing to the downside. I asked you to watch what kind of price action we're gonna see here at this place. If you will see nice price action, then obviously we're gonna look for buy, and once price hit the top, we're gonna look for sell. Okay, so you guys remember that what pattern we are anticipating on bigger time frame. Yeah, every time when price hit the top, we look for sell, and try to struggle at this place, we look for buy. Okay, so you guys can see that it is forming trend reversal channel. Yeah, it formed trend reversal channel, and that trend reversal channel broken to the upside. Okay, with impulse. So you guys can buy based on indication, buy based on impulse, and if you missed all these two, then you can wait for the continuation. Okay, and if you see continuation pattern, look for upside. Yeah, trend reversal channel played well. Okay, broken to the upside. If you guys remember that, we were looking to sell here at this place. Okay, so we were anticipating this move before it comes, and we were anticipating some price section here at this trend line. If price struggle here, do not break down, we're gonna look for a buy. Yeah, so now we are looking to buy to the upside. Impulse is there. Okay, wait for the continuation pattern. Okay, so the example we can see here, what kind of reversal pattern forming there. Okay, this was the trend reversal pattern. We were looking trade setup here at this trend reversal pattern as well when this pattern formed here, broken out with impulse and rising after that. Yeah, so same. Okay, same pattern formed here, but this pattern is bigger. Watch for the continuation pattern. At least price should come up to this place. Yeah, so it can come correctively or it can come aggressively to the downside, and if so, then look for upside, place your stop loss outside, try to buy as much low as you can. You guys know that this trend reversal channel can test lows again. Okay, so you don't need to be worried about this, that it is going to go and you miss that trade. No, it's not gonna do something like that. Yeah, at least it will give you enough time to get into this trade. Okay, all right, so we can see trend broken, this trend broken with impulse, and after that we were anticipating continuation pattern to the downside. We didn't get the continuation pattern. What we get, we got there, we got the reversal pattern. So this reversal pattern was saying that price gonna break to the upside. Okay, now what we need to watch for, we need to watch this place again. If price started to rise up to this place, we're gonna look for sell again at the top, something like your double top. Okay, so this is not a continuation pattern. This is not saying that price is going to continue to the downside. It will push to the upside, and if it will form a continuation, small continuation pattern here, then you can look for upside. Okay, for a short period of time, but by placing your stop loss behind, you can look for this trade. Okay, So the trend continuation pattern, we're gonna look here. On New Zealand yen, something like this. Yeah, this is the trend continuation pattern we are anticipating. Everyone knows that we were anticipating expanding triangle here. Again, the expanding triangle is this. Yeah, we can see there is trend reversal channel, and that trend reversal channel broken with impulse. Yeah, I'm testing this place. All right, so we were anticipating this move before. Yeah, okay, so we are here at this place. Now we can see this move has broken down. This move has broken down and forming trend continuation pattern. Okay, so now we are looking for continuation to the downside based on this trend continuation pattern. On other day, we have spoken about this with detail. Yeah, some of you guys sold here based on indication, some of you sold on based on impulse. Now it is started to form a trend continuation pattern. If you guys remember that, I asked you to watch for the continuation pattern. Okay, and this continuation pattern can come up to this place. All right, this trend continuation pattern can come up to this place. If so, then look for buy, and if break up, then your impulse gonna violate. You're not gonna rely on this impulse anymore. You need to watch for next impulse for the continuation to the downside. So this is the cycle we repeat every time when our impulse gonna get violated by the correction. Okay, so this is the impulse you need to watch. A continuation pattern you need to watch here. Okay, so if it forms small corrective continuation pattern, you can look for buy to the upside. All right, and if price started to form a corrective move to the upside, then look for sell here at this place. Yeah, then don't try to buy. Only look for buy once you see a continuation pattern. Continuation pattern, continuation pattern, something like this here. Impulse, you can see continuation pattern. Okay, impulse, then you can see continuation pattern. Okay, impulse, then you can see continuation pattern. Okay, and if you will see again continuation pattern here, continuation pattern mean corrective continuation pattern like this, then you can look for buy, and buy can come up to this place. Okay, and then you can look for sell. And if price do not form this continuation pattern here and started to form a correction, a corrective wave, and this move turned into a corrective wave, then your bigger time frame gonna form a flag to the downside. Okay, something like this. All right, so this gonna be perfect entry based on risk taking here at this place near your trend line, yeah, to the downside. Okay, so this is the difference between the corrective and impulsive move. So you need to understand, yeah. So trend reversal channel formed, impulse is there, trend reversal channel formed, broke into the upside. For continuation to the upside, it should form a continuation pattern. Continuation pattern, alright? If you will see, you can buy for upside. So next is Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so those who bought at the bottom did well. Move on break even. There is no buy setup. It has buy setup has gone, yeah. So watch for the breakout. If price break to the upside, then perfect. You should remain into that trade. And if price do not break, then it can fall back again to the downside. Alright, so We were looking to buy here at this place. Price fallen up to this place and tested and started to rise. Okay, so now we are testing this place. There is no buy setup at current level, current price. Okay, there is no buy setup. If it breaks up, you know guys what gonna happen. Yeah, when price was testing this place, I told you that price can break to the upside and can turn back again. Okay, so we're not gonna look for sell this much, sell on that day. We're gonna only look for buy once price hit the bottom. Okay, so price hit the bottom, we were looking to buy. Now we are here at this place. Okay, so there is no buy setup. Again, price can stop here, again can fall, and if so, you need to move on break even, and again need to look for buy here at this place to the upside. Okay, and if you try to close this profit on time, then you can close. Yeah, but watch price action, watch what kind of price action you're gonna see here at this place. Currently we can see price struggling to break on lower time frame. Price is struggling to break to the upside, right? And if price do not break to the upside, then again price gonna fall back to the downside. Okay, it can test bottom again. You guys can see it's struggling. Yes, started to struggle. All right, so this is what I was anticipating. Yeah, can struggle here because price holding this pattern seems very long. Okay, so again price can struggle at this place. All right, so do not, if price do not break to the upside, again need to look for buy setup here at this place. Okay, so if we look at the bigger time frame, okay, the trade we are looking for is to the upside. Okay, you all can see that this is not a move which gonna convince us that price gonna continue to the downside. Okay, so this is not a move which is going to convince us that price going to continue to the downside. Yeah, so this is basically a trend continuation pattern which breaks with the previous trend. The previous trend is this. Okay, the first target gonna be this, and if price break through, then next target gonna be this. All right, so this is the trade we are looking for. Everyone knows that when price was here, we were anticipating move to the downside. Yeah, so we were anticipating this corrective move. Okay, we can see impulse was there. We were anticipating this move, and once price hit this place, we're gonna look for upside. Right, and when price was here at this place, we were anticipating price gonna form a reversal channel and gonna break to the upside. Yeah, you can see price broken to the upside nicely. Yeah, so the pattern price formed over there was this. Yeah, this is the trend reversal pattern. Okay, this pattern was saying that price not gonna continue to the downside, gonna continue to the upside. Yeah, so again price is forming, this is this trend continuation pattern. Okay, this is trend continuation pattern. This is not trend reversal pattern, this is trend reversal pattern. So we are trying to catch the bottom whenever price gonna continue to the downside. We are not looking to sell. Sell potential is not good. So selling is not a good idea. Okay, so you guys remember that when price was hitting this place and I was anticipating this move. Yeah, but I was not asking you to look for sell. The potential is small, and even price can go beyond that pattern, stop you out, and then gonna start it to fall. So same thing can happen, yeah, because this is the trend continuation pattern. Price gonna stop you out if you're gonna look for a sell, and then gonna continue to the downside. Okay, so the best place is buy to the from the bottom. All right, so let's look at the New Zealand, Australian dollar, American dollar. Okay, so we're gonna watch on that day. On that day we were anticipating that if price gonna rise aggressively to the upside, we're gonna look for closer, yeah. So as I'm still into this trade, yeah, we are still into this trade. Couple of you guys still into this trade, those who sold here, and some of you guys closed their trade, they book their profit. But this pair can go further to the downside, yeah, further to the downside. We can see it is forming trend continuation pattern again. Okay, and this trend continuation pattern can break to the downside. On that day we were anticipating this. If price rise to the upside aggressively, then we're gonna look for exit, those who sold here, yeah. And we can see there is no aggression. This is forming continuation pattern, yeah. It can extend further and then can break to the downside, same like this pattern, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna look for further sell on this pair if we see risk taking entry over there again. Yeah, this pair can come up to this place, the previous low. Okay, so we will look for this potential. We can see impulse is there, continuation pattern, impulse is there, again continuation pattern forming. So we will look for sell. All right, so price was playing under the weekly channel line. All right, so price was playing under the weekly channel line. At least we gonna hit this place. At least price should test the previous low. Yeah, so we're gonna look for sell again. The place to sell, if price forms expanding triangle, yeah, price forms expanding triangle, then the sell place is gonna be somewhere here at this place, yeah. Okay, so, and if price do not form expanding triangle and form flat channel, then you guys know then how to deal with this flat channel. All right, then you guys know how to deal with this flat channel. Okay, let me show you an example. All right, so we got couple of flat channel on this pair on Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Okay, so if we will get the same price try to struggle, we gonna look for sell. Here is the flat channel, yeah. Here is the flat channel. Here is the flat channel. Okay, so you guys remember all these flat channels. We traded on these flat channels. Okay, if you will see price struggle here at this place, then you can sell. Okay, you can sell here. If you will see price try to started to struggle here at this place, you can sell. But remember, it can form expanding triangle. Okay, so keep that thing into your mind as well. So this is gonna be your risk taking entry. Right, so it can test this and then can start it to fall. Right, so impulse still there. So catch it. Right, yesterday I have shared a picture with you guys, showing that look for continuation pattern, and if you see continuation pattern, then you can buy. Yeah, so and this one. Yeah, so I asked you to watch for the continuation pattern. Continuation pattern formed over there, but on 1 hour the trend was so strong, and we can see price struggling here at this place. If price come close to the bottom again, then look for upside. Yeah, and once price hit the top, we're gonna look for sell. Same like your Uzi Chief. Okay, so same like Uzi Chief. So continuation pattern formed, but the continuation pattern formed on lower time frame on 1 hour. Yeah, so this was the continuation pattern formed on lower time frame. So if you are if you are into this trade, then keep this trade. Yeah, and if you are not, and then you are looking to buy, then wait for the price come close to this place and then look for buy to the upside. Yeah, and once hit the top, we're gonna look for downside. All right, so the reversal channel formed over there, you guys can see that. Yeah, trend reversal pattern. Before that, you guys sold, some of you guys sold here and took some profit. All right, so the bigger picture is this. Yeah, so it is strong to the upside. You guys can see price tested this channel, and spike back to the upside, this channel. All right, and if price test the trend reversal channel breakout place, then we're gonna look for upside. Once hit the top, then we're gonna watch for the price action. What kind of price action we're gonna see over there? All right, so you guys can see that it is strong to the upside, same like this. Yeah, so whenever you see pin over there, it means that there is impulse. All right, if you see pin over there, then it means there is impulse. So it was so sharp, only you can see on your lower time frame. Yeah, so this was the impulse. All right, so on that day, price broken down with impulse, and after that we were anticipating continuation pattern here. Yeah, we were anticipating continuation pattern, this continuation pattern, but price broken down with corrected move. Yeah, and we were anticipating continuation to the downside, forming like a your head and shoulder. Okay, so we can see on bigger time frame price struggling to the continue, and price started to struggle to the upside. All right, so it can form this channel. Okay, it can form this channel. So we are looking to sell here at this place. All right, so every time when price started to push to the upside and hit the top, look for sell. Yeah, look for sell. Okay, so look for sell here at this place. If price rise back again, and look for sell, and first target gonna be within the channel, and then the next one gonna be lower low. We are still bearish on this pair. Yeah, so we are still expecting that we're gonna get this move. All right, so the we can see this up move is, it seems to me that this up move is over, struggling here at this place. Yeah, forming couple of bearish move over there when we look at the lower time frame. Bearish strong impulses over there appearing. See, yeah, so price action is getting stronger. Whenever price hit the top, look for sell, and when price started to show you some sign here, this place, that it is not going to continue to the downside and close, again look for sell here at the top. Euro Uzi, yeah, I have spoken about this at the start. Need to watch for the continuation pattern, right? For the downside, if we look at the bigger time frame, we can see price still struggling under that channel, a trend line, although the flat has broken to the upside. Okay, so this was the flat. All right, so still struggling to the upside. All right, so we can see impulses there. Now we need to watch for the continuation pattern, same like your Uzi Chief. Yeah, on Uzi Chief we are looking to buy on, on the continuation pattern, and here we are looking to sell based on continuation pattern. Okay, before that you got this move, then you got some of you got this move, and then now we are looking this move. All right, so this is still in corrective flat, or you can say that triangle. Yeah, and once hit this place, we're gonna look for price action again. So the previous pattern was flat. Flat is over. Can form triangle. Once hit the bottom, we're gonna look for price action. If we see some nice price action, we will look for buy. And hit the upper triangle line, we'll look for price action and again to the downside. Okay, so selling early is not a good idea, right? Selling early based on pin bars is not a good idea. Wait and watch for the impulse. This was your impulse. This is not your impulse. Okay, this is your impulse. At least price gonna convince you that it is forming impulse on your lower time frame. Okay, the impulse was so sharp, we can't see this on 5 minute time frame. We only can see this on 1 minute time frame. This spike was so sharp. All right, so what you can see, it started to push back, pull back. Yeah, so what wait for the continuation pattern. I hope you will get that continuation pattern. All right, Eurocat, same like your cat chief. All right, so on that day we were looking this formation. Yeah, if you remember that last meeting we were looking this formation. Yeah, impulse started to form a continuation pattern, and we were anticipating that to the downside. And I also warn you that wait, once price hit the top, wait and watch what kind of price action you will see. Price do not stop here, that it can form A, B, and C, and then you need to watch for the sell here at this place. Okay, price further push to the upside, A, B, and C. Yeah, and started to fall from this place. So this was a retest. This was a retest of your previous structure. Okay, so this is your previous structure. Everyone knows that we were looking to sell here at this place, and this pair was playing amazingly. Yeah, so price still not hit this place. Yeah, it can fall to the downside, and tested this and started to fall. Yeah, so retested, still not, price still did not hit this place. So once price gonna hit that place, we're gonna look for upside. We're gonna look our price action. I have spoken about that on that day with the detail. Yeah, either price gonna give us continuation pattern or reversal pattern. If reversal pattern, then we're gonna look for upside, and if price will give us a continuation pattern, then gonna break to the downside. All right, we can see it is running into the channel. Okay, ascending channel. All right, so on lower time frame, no buy, no sell, no setup is there at the moment. Yeah, it can hold this place and can rise to the upside again, and if so, we're gonna look for sell here at this place now, and it can break down to the downside as well. All right, so if you're gonna look for buy here at this place, be careful. Yeah, it can break down. Okay, so be careful, it can break down, and once price hit this place, you guys know that it is retesting the previous structure. Okay, so we're gonna look for sell here at this place. So same like your cat chief, retested and started to rise. All right, so your cat chief retested the previous structure. Yeah, this is the previous structure. We were trading into that previous structure since very long. All right, so we were trading, we were selling here, we were buying here, selling here, buying here, and we were looking for sell here at this place, but price broken out and changed the structure which was holding since very long. Yeah, so this was this structure price was holding since very long. Now retested this. Okay, same like your EuroCAD. On EuroCAD it was on bearish side, and here is on bullish side. All right, so if price retest this place, look for buy, and on EuroCAD at least the previous structure, at least the previous structure. Yes, at least this. Okay, so we are still downside, we are still looking to the downside. We are looking this potential. Okay, I hope we're gonna get that, and if anyone sold there on the retest, then they did well. Okay, if you will buy, if you will buy, you will buy against the trend. The trend is bearish. Yeah, so if you will go to the previous videos, you can understand that what I was anticipating here on that day. Yeah, if and yeah, it is forming continuation pattern to the downside, Trinda, I know. Yeah, it is forming. We look at the USD CAD. He's asking question. Yeah, it is forming trend continuation pattern. Yeah, this is trend continuation pattern. I know that this is trend continuation pattern. Yeah, but when we look at this move, we can see that this is corrective move. This is not aggressive move. The aggressive move is this. Yeah, and it can push to the upside. All right, it is continuation pattern, but when we look at the bigger time frame, we can see that this is not a move which gonna convince us that price is going to go to the downside. Yeah, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Is it convincing you that this is the move which gonna push price to the downside? Yeah. Is it convincing you that price is going to go to the downside? Yeah, no, these two moves are not convincing me that price is going to go to the downside. Yeah, although it is forming trend continuation pattern. This is trend continuation pattern. Okay, so what will happen? What will happen here? Price will start to rise aggressively to the upside, same like this. Okay, this is corrective move to the downside. This is not a impulsive move to the downside which gonna convince us that price is going to go to the downside for the bigger move. Yeah, if you remember this idea. Yeah, so this, you can see this is USD CAD. Yeah, so this move was a corrective move and broken up with impulse and started to rise. Okay, if you remember that, the move we were anticipating on this pair on that day was impulsive move to the upside. So same like this idea, yeah, USD chief as well. So this move a corrective move and we were anticipating upside. So this is something same like that. Yeah, I'm trying to get the other picture before that impulse. I have shared that picture with you that day before the break. Yeah, this is the picture. Okay, so we can see this is corrective move. This is USD CAD. So this is corrective. This is not impulsive move which going to convince us that price going to continue to the downside, although price was forming trend continuation pattern here at this place. This was a trend continuation pattern. Okay, but this is not convincing us that price going to continue to the downside. Broken up with impulse and started to rise. All right, so again, although it is trend continuation pattern, this is trend continuation pattern, but this move is not aggressive to the downside, same like this. Yeah, and it can break to the upside and again can test the top. All right, I hope you understand. Yeah, right, so it can test the top again and then we're gonna look for downside. Every time when price hit the top, we look for downside. All right, so what we're gonna see over there is something like this. Okay, so something like this. Yeah, price started to struggle at the top, it started to fall and then started to rise. So this move may appear over there. This is what I'm anticipating over there. Yeah, this is what I'm anticipating over there. uh, I'm anticipating this. Yeah, let's see if we get that. All right, so we were looking at the euro CAD, I think, euro pound. All right, so if you guys remember that when price was here at this place, we were looking to buy here at this place. Yeah, we were looking to buy, and I told you on that day price can form flat channel. Yeah, price can form flat channel. And if so, then we're going to look for buy here at this place. So it is forming a channel, but channel is not flat, it is ascending. It is ascending, yeah. So you can look for sell. If price hit this place, you can look for this trade, and once price hit the bottom, you can look for upside. All right, and if price do not respect this place, then hold your trade for the downside. Okay, so those who remember the previous meeting, they understand what pattern is forming over there. Yeah, there was a reversal pattern. I have given you example on that day, you know, on USD yen. Well, yeah, so we can see impulses over there. Impulses over there. If we will see corrective move up to this place, then we gonna look for upside. Same like USD yen. Yeah, we got the big move to the upside on USD yen. All right. So you can try to catch this move. If price hit the top, you can try to catch this move, this short move to the downside. And if price break, do not respect this, hold your trade for the lower trend line. And if price hold this place close, look for upside. Okay, so this was the channel I was asking you to look for on that day. Okay, you can look for sell on this trade. Yeah, simply it is not showing some aggressive sign to the upside, so look for sell again on this pair here at this place. So still not showing signs that it is going to go to the upside for the longer run. Yeah, we were anticipating big move to the upside, so it's not showing any sign that it is going to go to the upside. Yeah, so you can take a short trade on this pair. Right, so once hit the bottom, John, you know what you need to do. Yeah, you took some good trade setups, good trades on this pair. Once hit the bottom, look for upside. All right, so you bought here somewhere here, yeah, if I'm not wrong. So once hit the bottom, look for upside. All right, so currently you can sell at this place. So if you will sell from the current price, so this is not a good idea to sell from the current price. Yeah, not gonna be reasonable. The safe stop loss is just outside. This is not a safe stop loss. If you will sell at the current price and you will place your stop loss within the structure, within the corrective pattern, then this is not a good sell entry. More likely be stop you out. Market gonna stop you out. More likely gonna stop you on. Yeah, you will lose this trade. So the best place is to sell from the top. Yeah, it is not aggressive to the downside, it can extend, and if so, then look for downside. All right, once hit the bottom, look for upside. So so euro USD, same like the dollar index, I have spoken about this. All right, dollar index, so this is the move. We can see the pattern is forming same like dollar index. Okay, so this pattern is not showing any sign at the moment that price is going to continue to the downside. Another day, I was asking you to look for price action here at this place, and I got this trade. But price stopped me out on break even. So the trade was this. Yeah, this was the trade on that day. I sold here. So price formed impulse, started to form a continuation pattern. I sold here, and I was anticipating that price gonna break to the downside, but price didn't break and stopped me out on break even. Yeah, so once price hit the bottom, you guys can see it is forming falling wedge. Okay, falling wedge is underway. Yeah, and if price come close to this place, then look for buy. All right, and if you are looking to buy at current price, then be careful. Yeah, the pattern is developing is this. It can break down, stop you out, then can continue to the upside. Right, so we're gonna watch for the price action here at this place again. So it is not still is not clear. Okay, those who are looking for the trade setup on this pair, be careful. Either price gonna break through to the downside clearly, then we're gonna look for continuation pattern. Okay, so better to stay away from this pair. Yeah, this is not showing any direction, either going to continue to the downside or back into the continuation pattern again. Right, so currently it is price action point. Which way gonna go? You can see forming a falling wedge. Okay, so wait for the confirmation so you can get a good trades on other pairs which I have shown you. You can take those trades. All right, so there are a couple of other pairs as well. So okay, so the trade on this pair we are watching is this. Yeah, let me bring the image back to you guys so that you guys can understand that what kind of trade setup I'm looking for there. Okay, so this was the trade when the first trend continuation pattern was forming over there. Okay, when this continuation pattern was forming over there, this continuation pattern. Okay, so when this continuation pattern was forming, I was anticipating this move to the upside. Okay, once price hit the top, we're gonna look for sell. So we may see same formation here. Okay, so same formation here as at this place. Trend continuation pattern. Okay, trend continuation pattern. So we're gonna look for sell here and we're gonna look for buy here for this move. All right, so this was the move when the first trend continuation pattern was forming. This move, yeah, and we were looking to sell from this place to the downside, yeah, and we got this big move to the downside. We got crash to the downside. All right, so if we analyze lower time frame, we can see price form impulse broken down and started to form a trend reversal pattern, and that trend reversal pattern broke into the upside and started to rise. Yeah, so this move we are looking for here. Okay, price broken down, this trend continuation pattern, this trend continuation pattern broken down with strong impulse and started to form trend reversal pattern. Okay, and that trend reversal pattern can extend up to this place, and if so, we're gonna look for upside from this place. All right, so your flat channel, you can call this A, B, C, or whatever you want to say. A, B, and C. Yeah, same like this. A, B, and C. All right. So same pattern is forming. The previous trade we were looking on this from this place, and after that we were looking sell at this place. Yeah, and but we got strong move from this place to the downside. Okay, after that we were anticipating continuation pattern here. Okay, so those who sold this pair, they did well. They took nice profit on it. No, watch for the upside. Watch for the upside. This is not convincing us that it is going to continue to the downside. Okay, so this is not convincing us that price gonna go to the downside. This is trend reversal pattern. So it can rise. So the move we're gonna get this. All right. New Zealand cat. If you guys remember that when this pattern was forming, I told you if you're gonna look for buy, you're gonna buy against the trend, yeah, and price can stop you out and then can continue to the upside. Yeah, so price always, when you see trend reversal channel is forming over there, yeah, when trend reversal channel is forming over there, you will always see either price gonna rise aggressively to the upside or gonna rise correctively to the upside. Yeah, and if rise aggressively to the upside, then it means it is going to change its direction. Yeah, and if it rise correctively, then it means it is going to continue with the previous trend. Okay, so this is the difference, main difference. All right, if you look at the previous videos or previous meeting, you will understand this. Yeah, okay, so we got the corrective move, which means that price gonna continue to the downside, not gonna continue to the upside. This is not a way to change the direction of the previous trend. This is a way to change the direction of the previous trend. Okay, so the sell was here at this place, right? This is corrective move. This is not aggressive move. This is what I was telling you on that day, right? So this was the sell place to the downside, and if price again tests the top, look for sell to the downside. All right, this is the picture Morgan has shared. Yeah, and that was nice. Okay, we're gonna watch price action here. Okay, it is running into the sending channel. We're gonna watch price action here. We will see some nice price action here. We're gonna look for upside now. We were selling from this place. If you guys remember that, yeah, we were looking to sell this pair from this place, and a couple of other good trades got on lower time frame. Okay, we were looking to sell from the top from this place. Alright, so we were anticipating this move. Currently price has broken down and somewhere here, forming a trend reversal channel. Okay, so we're gonna watch price action here. Either we're gonna get up move, same like this, or not. We're gonna watch for price action here. Okay, so I think enough for today. Yeah, we're gonna look for the rest pairs tomorrow with detail, same like today. Okay, and we're gonna talk about the rest of the pairs tomorrow. Any question, guys? Is there any question? Those who are new, please watch this video, yeah, or watch the other video which I have spoken about how to use that stuff. You'll understand more quickly what we do. Okay, so you can finish this stuff within a couple of weeks, and if so, then your understanding power will boost quickly rather than spending time on other stuff. Yeah, try to watch, try to watch the group what they are talking about into the group. Yeah, okay, so watch what they are talking about, what these people are talking about in the group. Okay, so you can understand more quickly. All right, so that's it for for today, and thank you very much for being with me, guys.